5 seconds to go. Start. The reason being that selection process of promotees is shorter as compared to that of direct recruits. Stop. Therefore, comma, injustice to the direct recruits cannot be compounded by relegating them below the direct recruits. Stop. Para. He relied upon various OMs starting from OM dated 3rd July 1986 till OM dated 13th August 2021, which clearly provide for seniority to be determined according to the rotation of vacancies. Stop. The learned senior counsel submitted that though a case is so to be made out that a recruitment year is a calendar year and not a financial year, even the appellants have proceeded on the footing that it is the financial year. Stop. He relied upon several documents in that behalf. Stop. Para. He submitted that the relevant year for determining seniority is the year in which recruitment requisition is sent. Stop. He pointed out the letter dated 20th November 2009 and closing therewith the requisite pro forma for requisition of income tax inspectors, which clearly included 35 current and 11 carried forward vacancies of the direct appointees. Stop. He pointed out that the subsequent letter addressed to the Secretary of SSC is of 21st January 2010, which was issued in recruitment year 2009-10 itself, which included vacancies of 2009-10. Stop. Even the advertisement was issued in recruitment year 2009-10, as the same was issued on 30th January 2010. Stop. He would, therefore, submit that the recruitment year in the present case was 2009-10. Stop. He submitted that segregation of vacancies for 2009-10 and 2010-11 was already done, as is apparent from the seniority list dated 7th September 2016. Stop. Para. He submitted that OM dated 7th February 1986 cannot be applied and the same will apply when there is an earlier examination or selection which is followed by a subsequent examination or selection. Stop. He submitted that in the facts of case, in the year 2009-10, there was no examination or selection conducted for direct recruits. Stop. The expression direct recruits do not become available used in OM dated 7th February 1986 means that though the selection process is held during the relevant year, the candidates do not become available. Stop. Para. Lastly, he pointed out that as a matter of fact, a large number of direct recruits have been promoted since then. Stop. He submitted that as the decision of this court is per incurium, being contrary to the binding precedent of a larger bench, the decision in the case of N.R. Parmar will prevail. Stop. Para. Mr. Vikramjit Banerjee, the learned additional solicitor general representing the income tax department and Union of India submitted that a new OM has been issued on 13th August 2021 by DOPT, clarifying that as the decision in the case of K. Meghachandra will have prospective operation, cases of inter se seniority of direct recruits and promotees shall not be disturbed during the period between the date of the decision in N.R. Parmar's case and the date of decision in K. Meghachandra's case. Stop. He submitted that in view of the said OM, the cases of inter se seniority between officers joined between 27th November 2012 and 18th November 2019 shall be governed by the provisions of OMs dated 7th February 1986, 3rd July 1986, read with OM dated 4th March 2014. Stop. He submitted that a departmental OM dated 26th October 2021 has been issued as per OM of DOPT dated 13th August 2021. Stop.